If you're looking for a lightweight camper, these bullets are the cream of the crop. And today we're looking at the 290BHSWE. All right, so you get a nice big pass-through storage here that goes all the way through. There's some goodies on the other side we'll touch on in just a little bit. As you come across here, you see that you get the extended camping season. So you get a heated enclosed underbelly, which is really nice. You get 220 watts of solar on the roof, which is awesome. This nice big awning has an LED strip that shines all night long if you want it to. Two sets of stairs that are the solid steps, which make it nice and easy to go up and down. It's very, very sturdy. And they fold right up, which makes it super easy. You're not running into anything when you're driving. You have your endless hot water heater as well. So you get instant hot water like you do at your house. As we look up, you get these nice JBL speakers. So JBL has been one of the leading sound systems in America for a very long time. It's really nice that you have a good quality speaker to bump some tunes outside. And one of my favorite parts of this camper is the flat top griddle that comes with it. Having an outdoor kitchen is really nice. You also get a nice little mini fridge as well to keep the drinks cold. Come around to the back of the camper. It's nice that not every camper these days comes with a ladder, so it's nice that the bullet manufacturer sends you with the ladder. That's a nice feature. So this is just added storage, which is nice. It's always good to have extra storage if camper has it. And then we're getting back to the goodies here on the pass-through storage. So inside here, you have a battery switch off, so you can turn your batteries off, which will save power. You also have your solar amp control charger, which is charging your solar. Super huge and beneficial. Another thing you're gonna see is the tire link. That is your tire pressure sensor. That's really nice that Bullet does that for you, so you can always know what's going on with the mechanics of your camper. And then inside is a nice tucked away water station. Outdoor shower here, your TV connections above it, and then your tanks right here that your fill tanks. So it's really nice that Bullet puts everything all in one spot. Not hard to get to. You know the mechanics and how everything's working on your camper in this one area. So let's go ahead and head inside. So one of my favorite things about the new Bullets is the diversity in color. You have some really great browns, you got some blacks, you got some whites, you got some grays. I mean, there's just so much color and it all blends really nicely. That's something that's really appealing to the eye in these Bullets. For example, you even get nice backsplashes like this across the bed. You have a nice textured backsplash here, and then you also get another version of a backsplash here. They're all nice modern colors. I really like that about the Bullets. It just sticks out, it's clean. Another decorative piece on it is the wood. That's a really nice touch. Appeals to the eye. You got the white on the windows, black. It all blends. It's all modern colors that look really good together. So is that something that just stands out? And with this guy, you get really nice oversized bunks that you can fit, two kids on a piece if you needed to. They have a power station on either side of them, which is nice to plug in tablets and stuff like that. Obviously in front of me, you see a TV, which is your entertainment center, and you get the fireplace. What I also like about this floor plan is it's really convenient. When just sitting down, you're right across from the TV. You don't have to tilt your head or do anything crazy. It's just right there, which is really nice. Another thing I want to point out about these Bullets is these lights above. This is something brand new. I don't see any other manufacturer doing it. These lights above are a game changer because it provides so much nice extra light here for you to see what you're doing. This side you have storage is key, right? And I really like that they're adding more and more storage to these Bullets because it really makes it user friendly. Something nice about this bathroom is that you have the door right here. So when you have a door in your bathroom, you don't have to go through the camper to track everything in and out. You just open this door, go in and out of your bathroom, and then just, go back to your campsite, no problem, which is nice. You have a full-size shower. The average human being can fit in it. Even if you're tall, it does have this nice moonroof here. A nice blend of colors in the bathroom. Coming over into the kitchen again, you get 4 drawers right here underneath the sink storage. Lots of storage. I want to point out, I really like these metal handles. That's just a really nice touch. You have a really updated sink here. Extra counter space is always nice to have. And they supply you with a dry rack here. which helps when you're doing the dishes if you're gonna do dishes in your camper. And then you turn into the bedroom. Before you get to the bedroom, you have extra wardrobe here. I mean, it's storage upon storage. Can't go wrong with more storage. The more storage you have in a camper, the better. Speaking of which, underneath the bed, a big thing of storage there too. Word of the day is storage today. And color. Storage and color. I really like how deep everything is. How you even get the accents of the backsplash in your wardrobe. Just nice little finishing touches, like you get wood right here on the windows. These bullets are so nice, you guys, and I really hope you guys come see them because they're really eye-appealing and just worth seeing. So guys, with this camper, MSRP is $57,500, and with Midway's discount, you're getting it for $45,500. So lots of bang for your buck here. I'm Josh here at Midway. Come by and see me to check it out.